He's calling you out. He's thinking to leave retirement and save money. I want to fight you.
You think so?
Kung natuloy ang bakbakan nila, kanino ka? Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Pa-like na rin ng video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Matapos manalo ni Manny Pacquiao sa kaniyang laban noong July 20, 2019 kontra sa undefeated champion na si Keith Thurman, ay napabilib daw talaga si Marcos Maidana sa naging performance na pinakita ni Pacquiao sa ibabaw ng lona. Sabi pa niya, "It was surprising how he looked better than he did in other fights. He did very well at 40. It's surprising." Sa taong din yun, plano nang bumalik ni Maidana sa lona. Nakipag-usap na daw ito sa PBC promotion at may nakaschedule na daw itong laban or exhibition fight kontra kay Jorge Acero Cali. Pero kinansila daw ito ni Maidana sa kadahilan ng hindi daw nabigay ng PBC ang napagkasunduan nilang financial advance. Pero matapos nga masaksihan niya ang naging laban ni Pacquiao kontra kay Thurman, ay nagka-interest siyang magbalik sa lona para lumaban. At yun ay kung si Pacman ang kaniyang makakalaban. Kaya naman umugong ang balitang Pacquiao Maidana noong taong 2019 at nagsilabasan din ang mga samot-saring reaksyon ng mga boxing fans. Matatandaang nagretiro na itong si Maidana at ang huling laban niya ay noon pang 2014 kontra kay Floyd Mayweather na kung saan natalo siya via unanimous decision. Sa interview sa kanya, sinabi niya, "There is only one boxer left for me to test myself against, Manny Pacquiao. So with that, we are waiting. I would return for him. I would like to do that." Dagdag pa niya, nakalaban na daw niya lahat sa division. Tanging si Pacquiao lang daw ang hindi pa at kakasa daw siya agad kung may pagkakataon. Ang gusto daw niya kay Pacquiao ay yung pagiging agresibo nito sa lona. Umaabanti din daw sa laban gaya ng style niya. At kung sakaling matutuloy man ang kanilang laban, ay banggaan daw talaga ang mangyayari. Magiging napakagandang laban daw ito na talagang mai-enjoy ng mga boxing fans. Di daw gaya sa nakalaban niyang si Mayweather na kailangan pang habulin o tumakbo sa loob ng ring. Isang Argentinian itong si Marcos Maidana at dating 2-division world champion, WBA welterweight champion at WBA regular super lightweight champion, na kung saan si Manny Pacquiao naman ang may hawak ngayon sa titulo. Kilala siyang may malakas na suntok. Base sa boxrec.com ay may 77.5 itong knockout percentage. Sa kartada kasi niyang 35 wins, only 5 defeats, ay 30 dito via knockout. Ilan sa mga bigating nakalaban niya ay sina Floyd Mayweather,
right hand.
Adrian Broner,
Yes, we don't come to fight. That's cool. I'm gonna you up though. Yeah, and at the end of the fight, you will say, "Good fight. You a bad mother." You gonna speak some English. You gonna speak some English. You might not say them exact words, but I guarantee you speak some English. And I'm done.
Black action. And he swarms Broner along the ropes. Broner goes down for the first time in his career.
Everyone says, you know what?
Along the ropes, wanting to clinch. The overhand right over. Been a scintillating second stanza. Moving cross connects.
Looking for this knockout that he seems to.
Devon Alexander,
Really does hit like a middle. Does look more comfortable and naturally filled out at the weight.
Yes, he does. See, Maidana come forward with a straight right lead that was down the middle, but it kind of fell short. And Alexander countered with a beautiful right hook. These are the type things.
You gotta stop holding. You gotta stop holding. 4 or 5 times you take a point. I mean, that's all there is to it. Alexander winning because he landed more shots. Maybe not this round, but
Eric Morales,
Maidana missed with the big right hand, but he's coming. Right eye looks very bad. Looks almost as though he got... Has proven everyone wrong who criticized criticized the matchup. Unbelievable shot by Madonna, and Morales hangs in. There's another giant shot by Madonna. And a right hand, and another right hand. Last-ditch effort to knock.
American.
Training in Dallas with Pacquiao. Hard right hand. Thomas tremendously wobbled. Amir should be holding on.
He is a little bull.
10 seconds to go in the round. Maidana too tight. Uppercut lands for Maidana. Uppercut lands for Maidana.
To run over him.
Yep.
Yeah, but I don't think Maidana can hurt him too much right now either.
At Victor Ortiz na kung saan tinalo niya via knockout.
Counter right, and then Ortiz drops Maidana. Ortiz
Coming in from Maidana was coming in caught with a right hook that he didn't see because he was delivering his own. Maidana land a short, straight right hand.
Ortiz trying to load up a power shot. Maidana counter.
Maidana's
Ortiz is in trouble.
Maidana's figured out he can't miss with the right hand and he won't stop throwing it.
Ortiz is in big trouble, and he goes down. Jumping in with punches.
Well, he took advantage of the situation, but he just picked up what he
Sa video ay makikitang bumigat na ang timbang tong si Maidana habang nagretiro ito. Sabi pa niya ay kaya naman daw niyang bumaba ng timbang kung kakasahan siya ni Pacman. Nagdaan ng buwan at taon ay tila naglaho na din ang nasabing posibleng napakagandang bakbakan. Ayon sa mga boxing fans, posibleng ang naging hadlang ng kanilang banggaan sana ay ang pera at ang timbang dahil sa si Pacman ay wala namang inaatrasan basta sa 147 pounds lang.
I didn't see what he says.
He's calling you out. He's thinking to leave retirement and say, Manny, I want to fight you.
You think so? It's just heavy, I think. Huh?
He said he wants to fight Floyd again. He wants to fight Manny.
He still can make 147.
He said he could if he trains.
You know, I have no problem. I can fight anybody on 147.
Sa kasalukuyan ay focus si Maidana sa kaniyang sariling promotion sa Argentina. 37 years old pa lang si Maidana ngayon mga pre. At ang kaniyang kababayang si Sergio Martinez na 45 years old na ay nagbalik na rin sa lona mula sa 6 na taon na pagretiro. 2 beses na itong nakalaban sa taong 2020. Kayong mga pre, gagaya kaya at matutuloy kaya si Marcos Maidana na babalik na rin para lumaban sa ibabaw ng lona? Kung matuloy ang nakakasabik at siguradong maaksyong labang Maidana at Pacman, kanino ka? Maraming salamat sa panonood mga pre. As always, amping permi.